What is going on, Cuffros? Welcome back to another video. This right here is an egg, and in today's video I am buying 12 of them off of eBay. From the very start where we purchased the eggs off of eBay, all the way until the process of them hatching and into their new enclosure here at the PC farm. All that is in today's video, starting right after this sponsor. This video is brought to you by Manscaped.com, the global men's lifestyle brand that is now disrupting the beard market. If you've been a subscriber for a while, you know I'm a massive fan of Manscaped products. Their trimmers, their hygiene formulations, and even their premium boxers. But finally, Manscaped is now introducing a beard trimming and styling routine. Introducing the Beard Hedger Pro Kit. The packaging is so nice. The Beard Hedger trimmer has a powerful 7,200 RPM motor and a titanium coated T-blade that can cut through the thickest of hair in a single stroke. Now, whether you prefer a 5 o'clock shadow or a lion's mane, you can choose from 20 different hair cutting lengths with a zoom wheel that uses only one guard. This beard trimmer is waterproof, cordless, and rechargeable. So you can literally shave in the shower, save time, and create less of a mess. Now finally, you can have a designated trimmer for your face, the Beard Hedger, and also a designated trimmer for the Lawnmower 4.0. So stop double dipping, it's gross. Manscaped also created dermatologist-tested beard care products to help you grow and nourish your magnificent beard. Their beard oil is infused with sweet almond, sunflower seed, and jojoba seed oil. Then you can cleanse your beard with the Beard Shampoo, which is cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, dye-free, and vegan. And then nourish your beard with the Beard Conditioner, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. And once that's all said and done, you style your beard with the Beard Balm. Fresh blend of eucalyptus, rosemary, and lavender essential oils. Just imagine how that smells. Now the Beard Hedger Pro Kit includes the Beard Hedger, beard shampoo, beard conditioner, beard oil, beard balm, even the travel case, and even little free gifts like beard scissors, beard comb, and a beard brush. Now just simply go down the link in the description down below, manscaped.com/Paul, that is gonna get you 20% off and free international shipping, and you'll get all this right here. That is 20% off using manscaped.com/Paul. The link is down below, click it. Thank you so much, Manscaped, for sponsoring today's video, and of course, for keeping me fresh. I'm on eBay right now, on the hunt for some duck eggs. I have no idea what ducks we're gonna get. There's literally Muscovies right here. Muscovy ducks, 6+ eggs for $25. There's one bit on it. Look at the little tiny ducklings. Mallard, call ducks. $50 for those ones. Look at that. That's some baller duck right there. And I searched it up and look at what they look like. Wow. That is one beautiful specimen. We can get one with an afro. This is so cool. I've never ever looked on eBay for duck eggs. I have seen YouTube videos on this though. These are so pretty. The Mandarin ducks. They're one of the most beautiful ducks. Look at this. I know they fly. Birds fly. We don't want no birds that fly. We want birds that have slight flight, but don't fly away. Now you can clip their wings, but eventually those flight wings will grow back. And chicken, duck, turkey, peacock, geese, 15 vials. What is this? Do you just buy this and don't know what you get? Because that's exactly what I want. Look at that little face. Come on now. That's a baby Muscovy duck. Now, Cuffaros, there's a lot of options here. I wish I had each and every one of you right here with me to help. 80 bucks for 3 eggs. Silver wood duck. I don't know. 6 of these eggs, 35 bucks. Do we just send this one? Let's add this one to the cart. We need 6 more eggs. Bro, we should get some chickens mixed with the ducks. We want to mix chickens? Should we look up chicken eggs? Let's look up chicken eggs. That is so freaking cool. Look at them. Right here, look at $30 for 6 of them. Is that not the coolest thing ever? That's nice, man. Heck yeah. He looks like he knows what he's doing. He's keeping them healthy. Oh, wow. What a stud. I gotta support him. Add to cart. Our subtotal is $97.98, so we got $100 in eggs. A total of 12, which is exactly how much this fits. That's what we're gonna do. Bearded and crested buff silky chicken. We got 6 of those, and then 6 of these Cayuga, I believe is probably how you pronounce it, eggs. Rare black egg, laying black eggs. They lay black eggs. And the coolest part about this entire video is we are not going to post this footage until all these are hatched. So by the end of this video, you will see all these exact eggs hatched and as babies on the farm, or hopefully all of them hatched. Footage you're watching is probably months old by the time you're seeing this, if that, okay, anyway. We're about to check out, total is 100 bucks, and yeah, these should be at the doorstep any day. Check out. Oh, I'm not signed in. Your order is in. November 26th, we will be seeing our eggs all at the front door. Let's go. Look what's here. The duck eggs are here, and it wants us to keep them in room temperature for 24 hours prior to getting them on the tray. Oh my goodness, on the tray and in the incubator. After about 24 hours, we took the eggs out of the box and put them inside the incubator. Now, unfortunately, about a week later, we went through some of the eggs and they didn't look so good.
This one's no good?
Yeah, that one's no good.
Although not all of them looked bad. Some of them were actually just about to hatch.
Hey, this one's alive. Look at him move. He's in the air sac right now. Watch. Right on the top of my thumb. So that's actually his beak right there.
That's crazy.
He's just getting into his air sac, so that means he's getting ready to hatch.
Any day now, man.
Any day, bro. Keep this one out just for a sec. We have to turn.
We're both editing. We're both editing, and I hear a chick. I hear a chick.
It hatched!
There's more hatching. The lights, kitchen lights. Via, we got baby chicks. I hear them. Look at them. Dude, I just heard a little baby chick. Oh my goodness, it's a little furry face. Hey, buddy. Oh, you're adorable. So all these empty spaces, unfortunately, were eggs that didn't end up doing well. A lot of the eggs were bad, to say the least. We had my buddy Gio come over and look at all the eggs with us. A lot of them weren't good, but just one day later after Gio was here, a little chick hatched. So the chick has been hatched for a little bit. Now it's fully dry. It is now time, once they're fully dry, to take them out and put them into something. We have this little bucket of shavings here. The egg is right there too. I usually don't film on my phone, but we were literally just sitting there editing Vlogmas videos, and then look at this little egg. He was in that little thing. Oh, he's all dry. He must have hatched early this morning. Buddy. My goodness, they're the cutest things I've ever seen in my life. That is the first hatchling I've ever hatched myself. Like, actually, we put into the incubator ourselves, bought the egg online. We did it all ourselves, and he definitely looks like he's a little hungry. He's trying to peck my hand. Look at that little face. We're gonna get you some food and water. We did it! After the excitement of hatching the first chick, David ran over to the feed store to get everything we need.
All right, we are at the Town and Country feed store to get the baby chicks some water, some food, and a light so they can stay warm. All right, so we got the whole kit. It's what we needed. And I think it has a little bit of food. I'll get some food too. All right, so we have the feed for the baby chicks, and we have the whole beginner kit. They're gonna be loving life. Let's see if he wants any food.
Light is in, food is in, water is in, screaming chick is in, and he actually just drank some water. So he's got a little house here now in our kitchen. Hopefully more of these hatch very, very shortly. We got another egg cracking. It is about 4 or 5 hours after the other one is hatched, and this one is cracking. You could see him actually moving. A little bit of fur hanging out of there. So that one will definitely hatch by the end of today. He's coming out of the egg as I'm sitting here right now. So you can see how wet that one is. That means when we found this one, it was like, where is he? When we found this one, he was probably like 30 minutes, 40 minutes already. Look at that. He's literally coming out of the egg. Look at that. Look. He's fully out. Hey, buddy, you're a little bit bigger than the other one. Look at how big they've gotten. You and I both have watched these chickens from the egg all the way until right now. We got little silky chickens. Now, unfortunately, out of all the duck eggs we got that weren't black, by the way, laying black eggs. They lay black eggs. None of them hatched. And only 2 of the chicken eggs we had bought hatched. But hey, 2 is better than none. So they have yet to get like all their little head feathers and some of their wing feathers. But for the most part, look at their feet. They're all furry. As you can see, the feathers are really growing in quick. And they are already so much bigger. They are best buddies. Come here, bud. I'm pretty sure you were the second one to hatch. And you are much bigger. This one is much bigger. We hatched 2 silky chickens on the channel from start all the way till now, and they're enjoying their first time stepping on the PC farm grass. I'm not gonna lie to you, Cuffaros, months of filming this video, and I couldn't be happier with our 2 little chickens. Both the chickens have a couple more weeks until they get out of this cage and roam free with our other chickens that are spread out throughout the farm. Oh, she just went back there. But until then, drop a comment naming our 2 new chickens, the brown one and the white one. I'll go through these comments and pick a name for them. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Subscribe down below if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!